friends, you obviously know me. This is your friend Lakshya Rajani, and today I've brought for you a healthy and yummy sweet dish. If you have noticed my pattern of recipes, I always give you guys healthy recipes, or rather videos of healthy recipes. Today is another one like that on my list. It's healthy, yummy and delicious. So over here I have a Parle-G biscuit packet. We are going to crush these biscuits and put them into the blender jar. So now we have to make a fine powder of these biscuits by grinding and sieving them. So now the fine powder of those biscuits is ready. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and we have to add milk gradually because we have to make a soft dough like how we make of chapati. So for instance, I'll add 1 tablespoon over here, and then we'll start mixing it. We have to add milk on the basis of the consistency. So guys, I added 1 more tablespoon of milk to this. That's when this soft dough is ready. Now we'll keep it aside to rest for 5 minutes until we make the filling. Now for the filling, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And these are some dry fruit that include cashew nuts and almonds. I have chopped them coarsely and I have removed 1 tablespoon over here for after use. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, and then we have to mix it well. So I've mixed it well. Now I have some milk mixed with some saffron over here. I've added the saffron for color. If you don't have saffron, you can add artificial color. Now we'll also add this gradually because we don't want such a soft filling. So guys, this filling is ready. As you can see, it's not so hard and not so soft. And this is the remaining saffron. You can use it sometime later. So I've taken some foil paper over here. Now we'll grease it with some ghee. So after greasing, we'll put our chocolate dough on top of this sheet, and now we will roll it with the help of a rolling pin. Guys, don't worry if it gets some cracks. It's normal. You can just place your hand like this, fix it, and then roll it again. So I've rolled it fully, and as you can see, it's thin, not thick. Now we'll take the filling and then we'll spread it with a light hand over the chocolate dough. Now I've spread the filling. Now we'll roll it with the help of the foil. So guys, I'm halfway done. So what we are doing is basically we hold it from here and then we turn it a bit and then we press it to make it smooth. The roll is done, but as you can see, it's too soft. So we'll fold it in the same foil and then we'll refrigerate it for minimum 1 hour. So it's 1 hour. Now I've removed it from the fridge. Now what we have to do, I've taken these remaining dry fruits in a plate. So we'll put this here and we'll roll it to coat it fully in these dry fruits. As you can see, it's coated in dry fruits from both sides. So now it's time to cut this interesting sweet. You can see how nice it is from inside. So guys, your Parle-G sweet is ready in no time and no money. And if it doesn't set for 1 hour in the refrigerator, you can still keep it for more time. And guys, please hit the like and subscribe button and share this video. And stay tuned for more recipes. They'll be coming soon. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.